Hello everybody, Chin Chady's here and welcome back to another video. Today we are here in offroad outlaws because as you guys know, in the last video we went and picked up this second gen Ram that was abandoned and slid into the mud and the water and just all the other nasty stuff. But thanks to the awesome capability of the tow truck, which apparently is not out here at this current point in time, this thing, we finally got this thing out, and now it's finally time to do the build. And I've been waiting for this for a long time. So let's go ahead and jump straight into the customize menu and see what we can do. Okay, actually, before I even go into the customize menu, actually, say get all that mud off, make it look a little better. Okay, next, now customize wraps. Let's say, yeah, let's take off this like black camo that I was using for the background. We gotta take off the mud. And then the back of the fenders are stained. I'm guessing from like mud that was being splashed up on it or something. So yeah, that's gonna be in here. Okay. Now, body mods. I like the stock front bumper, but this front bumper also kind of fits it. I'm actually gonna stick with the stock, so I'm curious. Fenders. We can, you know what? I haven't actually like properly dually bed swapped the truck yet. You know what? Yeah, let's do it. Dead serious, we're doing it. I'm making a dually. Yeah, let's put the stock bumper, put the stock rear bumper back on. We're making a dually. The flatbed doesn't really fit with the truck that much anyway. Yeah, we are making a dually today. Cages. Man, I like the roll bars, but they clip with the how do roll bars look with the how do roll bars look with like the single rear wheel bed? They actually look pretty cool, but like I said, I want to run dually this time, so like not doing that. Not running a cage, and then we got all that. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's weird. You know what? Let me go ahead and just go ahead and make it a dually now, just so that it looks a little bit more proper. I'm just gonna apply that. Tuning, tune suspension, axis width back, just okay, that's all I'm gonna do for the time being, just so that it looks a little bit more proper. Okay, custom, yeah, back in the body. I think I'm gonna keep the roof rack on it. Side steps, those are actually flush with the dually fenders. So are those. I like these better though. Let's run these. Cab lights. LED. Don't want to run a snorkel. Spare tire. Don't think I'm gonna run that anywhere. No horns. Windshield protection. Front lights already on. The winch is already on. Don't think I'm gonna run the jack. Semi truck stack, big stacks. Man, the stack out the bed would be really cool, but it clips through the toolbox. Then we got the exhaust at the back, and you know what? Let's do the dual tips coming at the back, and then we're gonna diesel swap it. Yeah, dude, let's run that. That's gonna be clean. Let's do the white headlights. gun rack in the back. It already has the crossbed toolbox for the repair kit. You know what? Usually tow mirrors don't work with a lot of trucks in this game, but it actually fits with this really well. Like, no joke, that's actually pretty clean. So let's run with that. Let's go ahead and buy that. Now let's go ahead and paint. For some reason, I've always liked the look of second gens in red, or first gens in red, and that is, oh, that's gorgeous. Even in the matte, that is absolutely just really good looking. I don't even want to black out the windows. I'm gonna make them like as light as possible, actually. Yeah, let's run that, because that actually looks, even with the wheels that are still in like the rust color. Let's just keep that. Let's see what the white. Yeah, that's perfect. Right there. What else? Wheels. Oh wait. Chrome, well. I'm debating, like, do I want to do chrome wheels or do I want to go metallic? Oh man. Dude. Let's stick with metallic. Let's stick with metallic, and then for the bead, yeah, let's do chrome wheels, and then to make it look a little bit more proper, let's make the bead matte black. Yeah. And I actually didn't even change the wheel itself. That could work. Those could work too. These actually fitted surprisingly well. I want to kind of make it look like an actual dually though. Those, yo, those could be the way to go actually. Bruh. Legit, those could be the ones. What are the steelies look like in the back? Yo, we could run the steelies too. Come on. Man, okay. Let's run with that. Then tires. I'm thinking I may just go ahead and just do the 15 grand set of tires for this. The mud tires do look good. Let's go ahead and run these. First set of 15s. I think that works pretty dang well with this truck. Actually, one thing I want to do real quick in decals, I want to... Dang, okay. I forgot stripes could only go on the top. Hold up. Let me go into shapes. I want to get like... it's just like a rectangle or something. It's about the closest I can really get. I'll just get a square and angle it. I want to make this kind of a brown, right? Kind of what I did with the F-250. Hold up. kind of like that, I think. Okay, what if I use this? Nah, that ain't gonna work. I'm trying to make like a stripe that goes down the side of the truck. And this may have to be what I resort to. How does that look? Oh, that's almost perfect. Let me get like, I guess I'm gonna just get like a square. That's the same color. And then just angle that so that it like fills in the, oh dude, that's perfect. Oh my goodness, hold up. Oh, not that. Okay, hold up. Trying to make this go quick too, because I don't want it to be like ridiculously long. Okay. While I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just plug up this little hole. So let's just get like a square for that. There we go. Let's get another square. Maybe this will work. Yeah, okay. That's pretty accurate to what I wanted. See, the only thing I want to do left now, take a square, paint match it to the truck, right? I'm gonna shrink it down just so that it looks a little bit more legit. There we go. That's like perfect. Kind of wish it was a little bit more of like a brown color instead of this maroon, but like, here we go. That's pretty accurate. It's more of a black now. I need to find some way to make it like an actual brown, but that's good for the time being. That's genuinely what I was like shooting for. Okay. Real quick. Let's go ahead and apply all that. And let's go ahead and upgrade this thing. So, like I said, I want to diesel swap it because I got the big tips in the back. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why I always repeatedly tap that. Then engine all the way up. Grip all the way up. Weight all the way up. Durability. Yeah, so this thing is fully built now. So now let's go to tuning, dyno. What does this thing put down? 610 and 1026. So actually this truck kind of bridges the gap between the F350 and the tow truck, which I like. That's a good number for this truck. A really good number. Let's see. Suspension tune. Honestly, may just leave this truck as it is. I don't even want to like touch it really. Let's see. Let's do wheel radius. Put it like just right back in the middle again, actually. So that was actually like really looked the best. Yeah, let's just keep it like it was. There we go. Big dually. Now, real quick, I did some more work with the towing glitch, and I'm pretty sure what's causing it is actually the trailers. I think it's actually like the flatbed trailer that might be doing it. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pull out my horse trailer actually, if I can find it. Where is it at? There it is. I'm gonna pull out the horse trailer, equip this. Right, and right now, yeah, the Camaro that was on the flatbed trailer before should be in here now. So let's go ahead and take the first gen, go to the stump park and see what this thing will do in terms of a tow vehicle. This trailer shouldn't have the towing glitch. It shouldn't. Hopefully it shouldn't. Okay. Hey, come on. There we go. Oh, you know what I forgot to do actually? I forgot to like properly tune the suspension. I forgot to like mess with the travel and stiffness and all that. But that's fine. I can mess with that later. It doesn't have the towing glitch. So what it is, it's not the actual what's happening is that it's not the trucks, it's not the vehicle that I'm towing that's causing the trailer. Yeah, the trailer glitch, it's the actual trailer. So that tells me that I need to like, I guess, buy another cargo trailer to use for like stuff all the time, to use for barn find stuff all the time. Or I could just use the YouTube channel sponsorship trailer, but I feel like after a certain point that will be a little bit annoying. Yeah, I might just end up going ahead and like selling that trailer, to be honest with you, the flatbed trailer, because if that's really what's causing the towing glitch after all this time, then yeah, that's something. Let's see, does this do the same thing as the tow truck where it constantly rolls coal? Oh my god, it does. That is so sick. Okay. That's cool. I really need to stiffen the suspension on this truck up though, because it's really rolly right now. Let's see. Go ahead and back it up against the wall. 4-wheel drive. 3, 2, 1. Floor it. 60. And almost instantly there's 100. I don't think it's going to be as fast as my tow truck, especially since I'm weaving. 140, 150. It almost touched the tow truck. It almost did what the tow truck did. That's impressive. I like this thing. So all I really need to do is go back to the house now, so I can go ahead and like mess with the suspension on this truck. I need to make it like really stiff because this thing's gonna be a tow truck. But other than that, yeah, that's gonna be it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That was gonna be my build on a first gen Cummins. Like I said, I've been waiting to ooh, nice. I've been waiting to go ahead and build this truck for a long time, and it was definitely worth it because this thing's awesome and it looks really cool too. I need to mess with the two-tone paint a little bit so I can actually make it like brown instead of this black, but yeah, it's cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like the video, and that was a weird glitch. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss an upload from me. And of course, go and follow me on Chan Shady's YT on TikTok as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later.